Hey guys, Ken Oakley here with a new app video for you. So yeah, today we're going to be doing Spotify Music, which Spotify is a lot like Pandora, but it's a little bit more different. You can make your own playlist and listen to that instead of having it randomly pick music for you, which I think is pretty cool. Just to let you know, for this app though, you will need to download Spotify onto your laptop or desktop in order to put music on it. So that's one negative thing, but I think it's a positive just because Spotify is so useful. So yeah, I am working on a Samsung 6S Edge, which is an Android product. But this app is also available on both Android and iPhone, and it's free. Spotify is free to use, but if you want to upgrade to Spotify Premium, it's $8 a month, but that's only if you absolutely want the premium. But if you don't want the premium, it's free to use. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is download the Spotify app. You can do that on Android, the Play Store. On iPhone, you're going to want to go to the App Store and download it. So after you download it, it's going to be in your apps or on your screen for iPhone. You're going to click on Apps, and under Spotify, right here, this is Spotify. This is what the app looks like. It's going to look the same thing on iPhone. So you're just going to click on it. Okay, and then it's going to come up with this screen. I'm going to go ahead and click Log In. And you can log in with either your Google, Facebook, or Microsoft. You can email, Facebook, whatever. I use Facebook just because it's easier, because I use Facebook to log in on a lot of things. So I'm going to go ahead and click Log In with Facebook, and it's going to log in for me. And this is what the home screen looks like. I'm going to go through this widget by widget here. So let's go ahead and go with search. Now with search, you can kind of search a little bit of everything. Anything that has on this app, it will show up. So let's go ahead and say Taylor Swift. Let's type You see Taylor Swift pops up, but it also shows artists who start with TA. And then podcasts that have TA in the beginning. Podcasts again, videos, albums, playlists that other people have made, and then your friends who have Spotify that have TA in their name. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Taylor Swift, just because I like Taylor Swift sometimes. So with Taylor Swift, you can follow her, which means it'll show up on your playlist and you can listen to her. So as you see, I'm already following Taylor Swift. So if the only bad thing about this with the free version of Spotify is you cannot pick a specific song to play. So I want to listen to, I don't know, Safe and Sound. I can't do that. I'm going to have to click Shuffle Play. So, yeah. It'll play Safe and Sound with a shuffle. It'll do that on all your playlists. You're going to have to shuffle play. But, yeah. So that's the search feature. Let's go to the home feature. Home is really where it shows you everything that you listen to or recently played. The other thing about Spotify is it makes playlists on its own. So here you see Forever Emo, or Emo Forever, Punk Essentials, 100 Greatest Punk Songs of All Time. So it'll kind of read your playlist and think, what do you like to listen to? So there's all those playlists, and then it'll have your recently played. As you can see, Taylor Swift, Batman vs. Superman, Gaslight Anthem. And all that is just my recently played. And then it'll also find music you haven't listened to in a while, and it'll recommend you that you listen to those. So you see I have Gaslight, Hailstorm, all that is stuff I haven't listened to about 2 days, and it'll pop up and say, oh, maybe you can listen to this. So there's that. And then it'll also show you popular playlists that Spotify has made that people follow. So see, you have today's pop hits, and I'll click on that. And there you go. Those are all, it's all just apps, or all lists or songs that are on the playlist. And again, you can shuffle play, and it'll start to play it for you. So there is the home filter, or home widget. You can browse. And the browse is a bunch of playlists that Spotify makes. So you see they have Electro Now, Throwback Thursday, Indie Mix. Those are all great playlists. But then they have charts, new releases, podcast videos, Discover, and concerts. Charts is just, it has a list of songs that are on the top charts for this month. New releases is new albums or songs that are released on Spotify. Podcasts and videos are podcasts and videos. Discover is just kind of showing you new versions of new songs. Concerts, it actually has concert tickets available for sale in your area. And then you can pick the mood you're in, and it'll suggest playlists for you. So let's say I am in I'm in a Latino mood. And it'll show you a bunch of playlists that Spotify's made that'll satisfy my mood. So there's that one. Okay, so that's the browse feature. Now I'm going to show you the radio feature. This is where it's a lot like Spotify. Or not Spotify, Pandora. I apologize for that. For Pandora, it has its own radio station, along with Pandora has its own radio stations. So on my Pandora, I have a Blink-182 radio, and on here I can also get a Blink-182 radio. So, and then it'll just do exactly what Pandora does. It'll switch songs. You can up, down, you can vote them, downvote them, skip them. It's essentially like Pandora on radio. And then on your library, this is actually playlists that I have that I've recently listened to. So you can go to playlists, and these are all the playlists that I've saved. Okay. And then stations. It's on all my radio stations. I don't use the radio feature as much. So there's the stations thing for it. Okay. I go back to my library. Okay. And I'll go to songs. These are all songs that I've listened to or shared. I don't know why Kid Pop's on there, but it is. Don't know how to explain that one. Okay, songs, albums. These are all the albums that I've saved to my Spotify. I don't know why. Again, I don't know why Kid Pop's on there, but it is. It's embarrassing. Okay. And then artists. These are all the artists that I have shared to my playlist. So as you can see, we've got a few. And then podcasts and videos. Again, I don't really use that feature very much, but this is where you'd go if you were to save podcasts and videos. And then this is your recently played list. I listen to a variety of different things. So yeah, then that's the widgets. I'm going to show you kind of just what it looks like when you're actually listening to the music. As you can see here, it has the play button, and then this is to skip, repeat, and shuffle. And this is used to add it to my library. So this will be saved as a playlist. This playlist will be. One other thing, if you have this connected to your computer, you can click devices available, and it'll show you your laptop or my PC, and you can click, and it'll actually play on your laptop instead of your phone. So here, see there's nothing playing? That's because it's playing on my laptop. And if I wanted to change it to my personal PC, And then if you change it, it'll click, you are listening to this on Samuel PC, continue. And then, yeah, it's playing on my PC, on my laptop at home. So it has a wide range. So yeah, that is Spotify for you. Very good app, very useful. I use it every day. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned a little bit about this app. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.